Is your garden looking lush after the rains, or is the monsoon secretly damaging your plants? While the rainy season helps plants grow faster, too much rain can also cause root rot, fungal diseases, pest attacks, and weak plant growth. The good news is that with a few simple maintenance tips, you can keep your garden healthy, green, and blooming throughout the monsoon. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tannu Garden. I hope you're all doing great, and your plants are enjoying the beautiful monsoon season. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to Tannu Garden and press the bell icon so you never miss our gardening tips, seasonal plant care guides, and easy DIY garden ideas. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into today's topic, monsoon garden maintenance tips, and learn the simple steps that will help you keep your garden healthy, green, and full of life throughout the rainy season. The first tip is to ensure proper drainage. During the monsoon, excess water can collect around your plants, leading to root rot and fungal problems. Always make sure your pots and garden beds have good drainage, and never allow water to remain stagnant. The second tip is to avoid overwatering. Since the rain already provides enough moisture, always check the soil before watering. If the soil feels damp, skip watering until it starts to dry slightly. The third tip is to prune damaged leaves and branches. Remove yellow, dead, or diseased leaves regularly to improve air circulation and prevent diseases from spreading to healthy plants. The fourth tip is to watch out for fungal diseases. The humid weather during the rainy season encourages fungus to grow, so inspect your plants often for black spots, white powdery patches, or mold, and treat them quickly with neem oil or an organic fungicide if needed. The fifth tip is to control pests. Snails, slugs, aphids, and caterpillars become more active during the monsoon, so check both the upper and lower sides of leaves regularly and remove pests before they cause serious damage. The sixth tip is to remove weeds. Weeds grow very quickly during the rainy season and compete with your plants for nutrients, water, and sunlight, so keep your garden clean by removing them regularly. The seventh tip is to support tall and weak plants. Heavy rain and strong winds can bend or break stems, so use bamboo sticks or plant supports to keep them upright. The eighth tip is to feed your plants with organic compost. Continuous rainfall can wash away nutrients from the soil, so adding a light layer of compost or vermicompost helps your plants stay healthy and continue growing well. The ninth tip is to keep the garden clean. Remove fallen leaves, broken branches, and plant debris because they can attract pests and become a breeding ground for fungal diseases. The final tip is to inspect your garden every day. Spending just a few minutes observing your plants helps you identify problems early, making it much easier to protect your garden and keep it lush, healthy, and beautiful throughout the monsoon season. These simple monsoon garden maintenance tips can make a huge difference in keeping your plants healthy, vibrant, and disease-free throughout the rainy season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tannu Garden for more easy gardening tips and seasonal plant care guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!